So the special project division at Oliver is great for clients because we've got the design build, architectural, structural, and constructors in-house, but we can start from a $2,000 door change all the way up to $500,000+ tenant improvement, and you're getting a design build quality product all the way down to that $2,000 level. And that's really nice for clients. It's also nice that a client can call us anytime and not have to go through the 10 different stages that it might take to try to find someone who would even want to attempt a small project. And that's one of the nice things that Oliver offers, and that we can always be that kind of on-call service contact. And not only that, a lot of owners call me and they say, hey, I've got this problem. I don't even know where to start. I'm moving this transformer and it's right up against the building. What do I do here? Well, I might have to go in and I pull in 4 different contractors: an earthwork contractor, the city, an electrical firm, a shoring firm, a waterproofing firm. There's 5 different things even on that smaller size project that we can help the owners work with right away, where they don't have to try to find all of that on their own, because even small projects can be quite complicated and especially risky. Construction is a risky business and there's a lot of liability there. So working with a firm like ours and us having our special projects division, being able to start at that $2,000 low level all the way up to $500,000+ does help clients quite a lot.
Yeah, and I think there's a lot of benefit to having self-performed trades also on staff. We might be smaller than we were in the 80s and 90s when we had 100 tradesmen, masons and carpenters and laborers, but we did stay true to that. We still do have self-performed capabilities that are, albeit smaller, but able to kind of do their own projects. And also, if we get into a crunch on large projects, they can bail out a non-performing subcontractor in a lot of cases, and we don't lose schedule by having those capabilities. So it's been a great division for us, and we're going to maintain it and grow it, hopefully.
Well, and think about this too. So a lot of contractors out there, the larger ones they might have a special project division. They don't have an on-site engineer or architect. Even when you're putting in a new pad that might be 10 by 10, or you're putting in a 10 by 15 pit, that requires engineering. And if you're a plant manager and you've got a new robot that you need to put in a pit for, and time is money, you need to get that done as quickly as possible. Design build all the way down to the special projects division size of projects is the best way to do that. It gets you up and running as quickly as possible, quicker than any other option out there on the market. And it's going to be that design build, general contractor quality level all the way down to such size projects.
Yeah, I think combining the structural engineering we have a dedicated structural engineer who sits in the special projects division a lot of the time, and combining those expertise leads to incredible efficiency and speed that I think a lot of self-performed folks can't match.